Dear friend, in a world full of noise, constant notifications, packed schedules, and restless minds drifting between future worries and past regrets, is there still space for stillness? Many believe that meditation is only for those with plenty of time, or for monks in remote monasteries. But in truth, the Buddha taught, one who is mentally distracted in the forest is still in the marketplace. One who is mindful in the marketplace is already in the forest. Peace doesn't lie in our surroundings. It lies in a mind anchored in the present moment. In today's podcast, we'll explore 6 simple meditative habits that anyone can practice, no matter how busy life gets, to nourish true peace from within. Habit 1. Begin your day in stillness. Imagine starting your day not with a blaring alarm or a rush to check your phone, but with silence and awareness. Just a few minutes of quiet sitting. No need to meditate the right way. Just be. Dwelling in the present moment is the path to true happiness. The Buddha. Each morning, before touching your phone, sit and breathe for 5 breaths. Look at the morning light. Hear the birds and softly say, I am alive. Today is a gift. Ajahn Chah once asked a student, when do you think is the best time to meditate? The student replied, early morning, master. Ajahn Chah shook his head. No, the best time is whenever you are truly present. Habit 2. Do one thing at a time. This habit seems simple, but in a multitasking world, it's rare. We eat while scrolling, walk while thinking. But meditation teaches us, when doing anything, know you are doing it. From the Satipatthana Sutta, when washing dishes, just wash the dishes. When drinking tea, just drink tea. Everything becomes a meditation. Focused presence interrupts the endless cycle of mental noise. A layperson once asked a Zen master, what's your secret to staying peaceful? The master said, when I eat, I eat. When I walk, I walk. When I sleep, I sleep. The man laughed. Everyone does that. The master replied, no. When you eat, your mind is on work. When you walk, it's stuck in the past. When you sleep, you dream of worries. That's the difference. Habit 3. Pause between activities. In the Anguttara Nikaya, the Buddha taught, between 2 thoughts, if one is mindful, that is a moment of liberation. You don't need to go anywhere. Just create small pauses. Before opening a new browser tab, take 1 deep breath. Before replying to someone, pause for 2 seconds. Before entering your home, feel your feet touch the ground. These are gentle doorways back to yourself. Practice tip. Set a soft bell to ring every hour, like a temple bell, to remind you to pause, breathe, and smile. Your mind will slowly become like a calm morning lake. Habit 4. Simplify your living space. The Buddha often advised his disciples to live simply, keeping only what was truly needed for practice. He said, "The one who knows contentment is truly rich." You don't have to give away everything. Just begin with a small space. Clear a shelf, a drawer, or your desk. Ask yourself, does this item bring me peace? If not, thank it and let it go. A man asked a Zen master, "What do I need to start meditating?" The master led him to a room, handed him a broom, and said, "Start by sweeping. When your room is clear, your mind will also be a little clearer." Outer clarity often reflects inner peace. Decluttering is meditation in action. Habit 5. Return to yourself before sleeping. The Buddha once said, "A mind that is tamed before sleep rests like a child, peacefully." Instead of scrolling on your phone until late, try this simple habit. Light a candle, sit quietly, and ask yourself, how did I live today? Was I truly present in my interactions? What am I grateful for? No judgment, just observe with kindness. Practice tip. Each night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This nourishes peace and gently carries you into rest with a soft heart. Habit 6. Breathe and walk mindfully. The breath connects us to life. Each step marks our return to presence. Mindful steps are steps that bring us home. Thich Nhat Hanh. Next time you walk, whether it's to your car or across the room, slow down, breathe, smile. Breathing in, I am alive. Breathing out, I smile. Even just a few steps like this every day, and you're already home. A disciple asked his teacher, "Where can I go to find peace?" The master replied, "Return to where you are. Take one mindful step, and you're there." See, meditation isn't far away. You don't need to retreat from the world to find peace. You just need to begin gently with small, mindful choices. A quiet morning, a focused moment, a healing pause, a clear space, a grateful night, a mindful breath, and step 6 habits. Simple, ordinary, but enough to lead you home to peace. If this podcast has touched you, feel free to subscribe, so we can continue walking together, one mindful step at a time. May you live gently, walk peacefully, like a lotus floating on calm water. See you in the next episode.